Hello, dear friends. Today we will speak about technical analysis of major instruments, which is interesting to trade so soon. Push like, follow me on TradingView, subscribe on my YouTube channel, because believe me, there will be a lot of useful information. Let's go. Bitcoin, as I told yesterday, price broke down this upward channel, and it is a really short signal. And what could be the next from this point? Price can make a retest of this area, of this bearish area. Only nearly that area we can open sell because our risk will be low. Risk will be low and potential profit will be in many times bigger, in 3-5 times bigger. Only in that case we can open a position only when we can get potential profit in few times bigger than potential risk. Okay. Uh, Also, as you see, it's level from this side, from left side. It's a really powerful area. Why I think BTC can drop? Because, as I told you, price broke down this channel, and big players need to get new fuel because BTC rose up from 3,000 to 14,000, where you saw that house rose 300, 400%, and you buy new house because it rose 400%. Uh, you buy after discount if you are a really wise person. The same is here. We wait for discount. We wait for discount in this area. Only after that we will be able to open buy Bitcoin. Go ahead to next instrument, very important instrument. It's gold, because at this moment gold a little bit crazy and it's hard to speak because yesterday gold was few seconds, because yesterday gold was nearly this area and really I waited for it, because if price would hit this area, it could be a really powerful sell with low risk. At this moment, gold in the middle of this area, of this range. And if you open, for example, if you open buy from this point, your stop loss must be here. And huge chance that price will hit this area. But there's a chance that price will continue drop. That's why it's really risky to trade in the middle of the range, because in the middle of the range, risk the biggest. I wait what will be the next. If the price will hit this area, there could be a powerful sell entry. I wait for it. About buy here, it's really risky, but you can do it, and your risk per position must be less than 1% of your entire capital. Friends, push like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on TradingView. Let's go to Euro. Euro bounced from this area and it looks like Euro will not come back again. That's why in on lower time frame, nearly this mirror area, take a look, nearly this mirror area, we can open buy if price will make a retest of this. Stop loss must be below this. It will be good place to open entry to continue trade. It's intraday trade, and you need to understand that mostly I trade swing, and it's not my entry. It's the same situation here on British pound. As you see, British pound also broke up this mirror line. That's why huge chance that price will continue uprise. Huge chance. Uh, I bought British pound in this area for a long term and still hold it, because as you saw, price bounced really from very low, and even if something will go wrong and retest will happen, it will be the best place to open buy on British pound, because risk will be low and potential profit, friends. It could be midterm entry for a few weeks with 400, 500 pips potential profit. And also I will show you another entry which really interesting at this moment. Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. As you see, take a look. Price bounced from this area, and take a look where price was before. Last time price was here in 2010. Just imagine on this really powerful area. That's why I already opened by nearly this key level, stop loss below low. And friends, here is a huge chance that price will hit this level or even this area. That's why open buy and just hold it. Friends, push like, write down a comment below this video what you think about future of this currency pairs and instruments. Also, follow me on TradingView, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and let's go and trade together. Bye.